Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Price prediction. Bitcoin price to date is $24,040 with a 24-hour trading volume of $89.04 billion, market cap of $464.39 billion, and market dominance of 43.87%. The BTC price decreased -7.12% in the last 24 hours. Based on data from March 15, 2023 at 20:01, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is neutral, with 21 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 8 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on March 15, 2023 at 20:01. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $24,991, Bitcoin has support levels of $23,717, $22,740, and the strongest at $21,466. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $25,968, $27,241, and $28,219. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $26,264, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.32 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.76%, meaning 333,434 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 61 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 2 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 425 days ago, on January 14, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 37 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $20,799 by April 14, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $23,987 by April 14, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 62.77, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to rise by 12.44% and reach $27,152 by March 20, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Bitcoin recorded 43% green days with 5.75% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Bitcoin.
Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term.
The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. News: Bitcoin rejects at $25,000 as US PPI data meets Credit Suisse meltdown. BTC price attempts to break towards the week's highs, but a charging US dollar creates some serious friction for Bitcoin bulls.
Bitcoin. BTC. Tickers down. $24,049.
Kept bears sweating near $25,000 on March 15 as encouraging macroeconomic data combined with concerns over banking crisis contagion.
PPI offers great signs on Fed pivot.
Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC/USD recovering from a 24-hour comedown to see highs of $25,273 on Bitstamp. The pair reacted positively to the latest United States Producer Price Index (PPI) data, which came in far lower than expected. Prior to the release, the Binance order book showed principal bid and ask liquidity parked at $22,000 and $26,000, respectively. Time will tell if enough bid liquidity is there to insulate $22,000 from getting hit, on-chain monitoring resource material indicators wrote in part of accompanying commentary while uploading the data to Twitter. For Cointelegraph contributor Michael Van de Poppy, founder and CEO of trading firm 8, signs were there for the Federal Reserve and Chair Jerome Powell to abandon interest rate hikes at next week's decisive meeting.
PPI comes in at 4.6%, while 5.4% was expected. Massive miss, resulting into inflation coming down.
Powell to pivot, he queried. PPI joined already buoyant Consumer Price Index (CPI) data released the day prior, this accompanying 9-month highs for Bitcoin as crypto took full advantage of the unfolding US banking crisis. A day later, however, the focus was Europe as European bank stocks were halted for volatility and one in particular, Credit Suisse, CS, hit new record lows.
CS was down over 25% at one point before a reversal took it above the $2 mark.
Silicon Valley Bank had about $209 billion in assets. Credit Suisse has about $578 billion in assets, Genevieve Rockdechter, CEO of financial insights firm Grid Capital, commented on the situation. Dollar climbs, ignores US inflation data. Crypto meanwhile faced headwinds from an arguably unlikely source on the day in the form of surging US dollar strength. Despite the economic data print showing declining inflation and more favorable conditions for risk assets, the US dollar index, DXY, hit 105 for the first time since the Silicon Valley Bank implosion on March 1. Explaining, markets commentator Ted Talks Macro pinned the blame firmly on Europe's banking troubles.
Banking contagion is now spreading to Europe, Eurobond yields sharply lower and therefore Euro is also sharply lower, part of a tweak read. DXY measures dollar strength against a basket of major trading partner currencies. Its performance is traditionally inversely correlated with crypto markets. DeFi on Bitcoin is possible with this new Layer 2, AMA with Mint Layer. Developing DeFi right on Bitcoin instead of using wrapped tokens and avoiding problems of blockchain bridges, that's Mint Layer's main goal. Mint Layer, an open-source, Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, has gotten the best from the Bitcoin. BTC. Tickers down. $24,175. And Ethereum. ETH. Tickers down. $1,629. Ecosystems to make crypto operations efficient and secure.
Its protocol allows batching transactions, even between different tokens, features a UTXO-based accounting system and uses Ethereum's access control list for token security. By having complete support of Lightning Network, Mint Layer can scale its network assets limitlessly. Users can directly exchange Bitcoin for tokenized assets via atomic swaps and transfer assets within the system with zero gas fees thanks to the dedicated Mint Layer wallet.
Its consensus mechanism, dynamic slot allocation, DSA, is a variation of proof of stake, but with a twist. Users don't need to refer to external sources for time validation because every block anchors to a block on Bitcoin, and it has an integral checkpoint system that can be enabled by any network participant to prevent 51% attacks. Mintlayer also incorporates WASM, a general-purpose virtual machine that can compile from a wider range of programming languages. It's a register-based machine and more flexible than EVM. BitL for people. The Mintlayer protocol provides developers with multiple DeFi use cases, from building DEXs, marketplaces and lending platforms to token generation, utility, governance, security, etc., and derivatives tokenization. For those who do not have software development experience, Mintlayer offers smart contract integrations in apps with zero coding. To support new creative minds and projects that would like to contribute to DeFi on Bitcoin development, Mintlayer launched an ecosystem fund with an incubator, accelerator, and grant programs. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.